What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna let me clear something. Part 2. I just defeated the boss. Yeah, and they took my tractor broken out. I paid for that $1,000. Just kidding, it's free tractor, by the way. They just break it, and they even wreck my farmhouse. So I'm going to the cemetery. Yeah, cemetery. Should pray to God, you know. So by the way, let's pray to God. Ghosts, many spiders. No ammo. Here, that's not actually funny, right? I think I'm bullying. Okay, let's just go back. Oh, I have no ammo. Shit. No ammo. Should use pistol. This is where they hide the coin. Here at Pixel Gun. Don't mind me. This sucks. Just gonna find it here. It's over here now. One coin for me. 17780. Thanks, these are free coins. By the way, I'm gonna find a zombie. Is that a zombie? Yeah. Oh, it's dead. What's the news for? News daily. I can't read that. It's pixelated. That's why. They should have real graphic. Right. Aside from Pixel Gun, real graphics gun. I name it Block Gun. I search it with my hand. What the? Glitch. Oh, glitch! I wasted like 3 coin for ammo. I mean 1 coin. I got that number. Glitches. Hate that. Please, I won't get barrels. I'm copying PewDiePie, you know. Oh, boss! Oh, easy, just grenade. Easy peasy. Let's go get this. So, MP5, no need Uzi. Like MP5 better. Oh, I wasted ammo. So that's how you complete it. I think this is 3-star. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is 3-star. Thanks for watching. It's all 3-star aside from level 1 is so easy.